Hi, welcome to the Real Education. In this video, I will talk to you about how to delete your Poparazzi account online at your home without visiting anywhere. So without wasting your most precious time, let's jump to the point. So I will start this video with a fun fact. So I am an Indian. So what's the meaning of Poparazzi application in India? In India, Poparazzi meaning is dad is happy. I hope that you enjoy this fun fact and you can share this with your family. If your dad is happy, then you can say that Poparazzi. So how we can close our Poparazzi account online? So now first of all, open your email application. Now we have to write them a email on @paparazzi.com. In subject we have to write the delete my account. So in the main content we have to write there, I want to delete my Poparazzi account for permanently, and a proper reason. After giving them your proper reason, you have to send this email to them directly. If you do this process in the same application in the help section, then you can't able to delete your account for permanently. So I want to tell you that please write an email to them directly. 5 working days they will close your account for permanently. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.